Hey, my name's Tim Boukouris, and I bought a 5-gallon drum of Metal Rescue. You see that? Alright, the reason why I bought Metal Rescue is because of this rust, which, you got that good? Is in my gas tank. Listen. Sounds bad, huh? This is from a 1984, get the rust, a 1984 Honda Magna VF 500C motorcycle, which I bought to restore. There's the bike. And as you can see, it needs work. And if you can look in here, you go from this side, you can probably get the light. You see the rust inside the tank?
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, now back to me. As you can see, it's very well rusted. Now, I saw this stuff on the internet and I thought, what the heck, I'll give it a try. So, what we're going to do is fill this tank with Metal Rescue. We're going to let it sit for a day, and then we're going to see what happens. So we have good pictures of the tank, so everybody sees what it looks like. What I'm going to do is tape this off. I'm going to fill it. I'm going to tape it off, and then we're going to let it sit. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so we've got regular, good old, universal duct tape. First thing I'm going to do is duct tape the fuel line. So, hopefully, we can make this waterproof or liquid proof. Another piece on there. And you see me banging this tank around, but don't worry, because once I get the internal rust taken care of, I'm going to have this sandblasted down and have it repainted so it's nice and pretty again. But right now, I'm going to try and get some of this rust out. It's not really coming out. But we'll pour this in, see what happens. Okay, so again, get a real good close up on that so everybody sees it's Metal Rescue, brand new. Pull the flex spout out. There we go. Like that. I'm going to pull that out like that. And this is really pretty basic, being assisted by my son Derek. And now I'm going to pour this in here as carefully as possible. Guaranteed to spill some, I'm sure. We're going to fill the tank. Okay, if some of it spills around on that other rust, that's fine by me. Let's see if we're losing any of the bottom. No, just what's running off. Okay, more. This is a 45-pound container, so it's not that light. We got a little fireworks, courtesy of Mother Nature, going on here. One locked gas tank, and let's see if we get any leaks. Just a little. We're going to stick this in here, so if any leaks out, leak it in slowly. Let's try this side. Nothing leaking out. Wipe this down. And Monday, July 12th at 6:35 p.m. Eastern Standard. We will let this sit and see what it is we see. So, move this out of the way, put it by the bike, and let her sit. We're back tomorrow. That's a wrap. Day 2, July 13th. Alright, so I came out this morning. It's now about 1:30, 2 o'clock. It's now 2 o'clock on July 13th. So I came out this morning to check, and I noted that the bucket that we, come over and take a look at this. The bucket that we put the tank in was full of the liquid that I put in the tank. And what happened here is, if you can see, this was actually totally full of rust. And I didn't tape it yesterday because I thought it wouldn't leak out. Well, looks like the metal rescue ate all the rust out of there, and I had a guy who's a mechanic advise me to drill that hole out. I didn't. I just figured that I'd let the metal rescue work. What I didn't realize is that it would actually eat through all that rust. So, as they say, the proof is in the pudding. If you look in the water itself, or the metal rescue actually, there's no water in there, you'll see that most of the rust has actually fallen to the bottom of the bucket as it's washed its way out. And there is still a remainder of metal rescue in the tank, which we will get out now. As you can see, we'll undo this connection too, so we can get it out faster. So let's go over in the light so you can see the inside of the tank now. You can remember how rusty that was. That is absolutely amazing. So now it's time to clean the tank out. Now it's time to clean the tank out. We'll finish that. We will dry it out, put it back on the bike, fill it with fuel, get the bike worked on, and when the bike's ready, we'll take that tank back off, get it repainted so it looks nice and new. Again, this is the what's left of the metal rescue. What you see is that the rust has gone into a solution, and it will slowly, if I let that sit, it will fall to the bottom, and we'll clean it up from there. And so that's it. Thank you, Derek.